wasazeewo n'ogamba ko ojje mu kivulu kya musumba
First of all, Pastor Wilson Bugembe is my spiritual father. When nina bye nali mpitamu na jena dukira, because the only option I had was to go to church. Pastor yanyaniriza, Pastor treated me like a daughter. You know, I'm not perfect. You guys see me, I go out, I go to church. Ne Pastor Tanja Jinga. He's always welcoming me. No mala almost mlabanga sigena ku church. Wenze yangamba Prima welcome over. Akugamba take your time, don't rush to change. Oja chuka mpola mpola. Yeah, and with time oja kukomulokolo mutufu. Yeah, I have a man, guys. Mubera wa.
Lwaki y'omutukweka?
Kubanga musajja wange tisoka simuna Uganda, and he's a very responsible person. I feel like right time when atuuka nga maybe ataddeko akaweta wano olaba waliwo ekibulawo, so whenever ataddeko empeta then maybe tujja kifula official, but for now nsobola okumukwekako akatono ate tobali asobola kuŋŋaana kupostinga kyenjagala kubanga page yange omusajja wange buli kimu kyange.
Waliwo abagamba oba mubbye lwaki omukweka Prima lwaki akweka nga te public
naye just lwakuba abantu tebatambula gye ntambulira, but when my man is in Uganda, wabeera mu Uganda, we go out, we go eat, tutambula buna mabala tugenda era ababeera mu mabala gye ngenda ne out they see him. Besides anything, you have to be kind. Noba ng'olina ssente nga toli kind. Yeah. No, I'm not rushing. Si papa. Kubanga sina chimpapya. We are still bonding, getting to know each other. Ate ochimani sicha mwezi kumwebiri esatu. Kubanga kitoko mutabira Uganda. But when the right time comes, because I believe he's the right person.
Yeah. You believe he's the right?
Yeah, I believe he's the right person.
Person.
Like 2 years. Yeah. He's always reminding me that I'm beautiful. What's better than that? He's a lover like me. We match. I don't call myself a single mother because I don't want to be a single mother. It's not what I want for myself. So single mother. I rarely call myself a single mother. No, because I don't want to end up a single mother. Never. Yeah, I want to be a wifey. Yeah. Simul is a new, because of course we are moving on with our life. So we are cutting a short communication. I talk to his family, of course, and he's doing good. I'm going to go for English classes and public speaking. Not because but in the future I want to do some public speaking. I want to inspire them. So I want to learn how to talk to them. Honestly, Prima is not coming back. It's not coming back. Why? Kubanga, it's not what I want for myself. I want better. I want better for myself. But the food business is good, restaurant is equal, but it's not something I want for myself. Maybe not down in some now that I'm on TV, maybe I want to be on TV, I want to be a movie actor, I want to be better.